In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable background sync in WhatsApp Web on your PC. This is useful if you want to conserve bandwidth, enhance your privacy, or just prefer to keep your data usage in check while not actively using the app. We'll walk through a few simple steps to ensure that background sync is disabled effectively. First, you have a straightforward option, which is to close the WhatsApp web tab or window in your browser. When you do this, it automatically stops any background activity, including syncing for the current session. It's as simple as pressing that little X on your browser tab. This is a quick and temporary solution when you want to quickly stop sync without any settings adjustments. Now, for a more permanent solution, let's keep WhatsApp Web open. Begin by opening WhatsApp Web in your preferred browser. Once you have it up and running, you'll want to focus your attention on the bottom left corner of the interface. There, you'll find a small gear icon. This is your settings hub, and clicking on it will reveal various options related to your WhatsApp Web experience. After clicking the gear icon, look for the option labeled Notifications. Selecting this will bring you to a menu where you can manage how and when you receive alerts from WhatsApp Web. Right in this Notifications menu, you'll notice a setting for background sync. This is the feature that controls whether WhatsApp continues to sync in the background when you aren't actively using the tab. To disable background sync, simply toggle it off. This ensures that your WhatsApp web session does not continue synchronizing messages and updates behind the scenes, which can notably help reduce unnecessary data usage and potentially enhance privacy. This toggling feature is great because it allows you to easily switch background sync back on anytime you need it, providing flexibility based on your situation. To summarize, if you want a quick one-off interruption of background sync, simply closing the WhatsApp web tab in your browser does the trick. However, for ongoing control over your data and privacy concerns, remember to visit the notification settings within WhatsApp Web and toggle the background sync off. This gives you greater control over your usage and helps keep your bandwidth in check, all while ensuring your WhatsApp continues to function exactly how you need it when you need it. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're now able to manage your WhatsApp Web background sync options with confidence. Watch out for more tips and tricks to get the most out of your digital experience. Thank you for tuning in today, and see you in our next tech tutorial.